Do you guys know what is the latest addition to the services that the Whitespace provides? Let me give you a clue. It's generally known as a divination tool, which is often used as a way to predict the future. However, it can also be used as a guidance tool. Any guesses? It's the very exciting tarot cards. So hello everyone, I am Dr. Diksha, the founder of the Whitespace, and as you all know that besides being a hypnotherapist and holistic healer, I am also an energy healer, and recently, very recently, what I was called to further tune into my gifts was understanding tarot and including tarot as one of the services for the Whitespace. I'm so excited to share this news with you guys, and what better way than sharing in this excitement and this happiness than doing maybe a little bit of tarot card reading for all the viewers who are watching and who feel called to watch this video and who feel called towards the energy of the Whitespace and that of tarot. So for you guys, the messages are for you who all are watching. So I have drawn 4 cards here, and first 3 cards that we got are as follows. This is a general reading that we are doing. It is not specific to anything. However, if there is anything specific that I get about as I'm doing it, I will let you guys know. So the cards that we've got here is the 4 of Wands, Hanged Man, and the Hierophant. So this means that there is some sort of reunion or a celebration for you guys, which is probably currently on hold, or currently you're stuck, and currently there's this sort of halt to any sort of reunion, to any sort of celebration. Probably this for me means the old ways of life, probably how things were pre-COVID, and maybe people who are watching this aren't really following the traditional conventional way of doing things. So it's an indicator that please pay attention to the conventional, traditional, higher authorities about what they are telling you, and surrender to the moment that is happening right now, the moment that is right now, the circumstances, the situations that we are in right now, which demands a bit of pause, that we often term as sacred pause, to gauge more understanding into our own selves and go deeper within. So probably it's a time to maybe look at the situation from a newer perspective. As I am telling you this, the messages that I'm getting it for the global collective, it of course means the pandemic on a global level, but on an individual micro level, this probably talks about any sort of reunions or celebrations that you had with regards to a celebration, a relationship is what I'm getting, a job is what I'm getting. Maybe it's the time now to sit with yourself with the help of certain higher authorities. These higher authorities can be someone that you really look up to. It can be probably someone like maybe your counselor, your therapist, maybe your parents that you really look up to for advice, or maybe a teacher, anybody at all, or maybe even someone like God or a spiritual authority. Maybe sitting with them, going deep within, or maybe it can also mean your own higher self, and asking that can I look at this perspective that is currently in my life, that is a whole, can I look at it in a newer, different perspective, and can I let go of the old which no longer serves me, and can I probably welcome the new instead of being in this stuck position. The Hanged Man is a man on a tree like thing, and he's upside down, which generally denotes a different perspective, which also often denotes a sense of stuckness. Then as we go into the Hanged Man further, it is again talking about a bit of pause. We have the Three of Wands along with the King of Cups. The Three of Wands is, as you can see here, a man who is looking, has his back facing us and looking towards newer things. And there is the King of Cups. So as I am understanding and gauging the meaning of these cards, the combination of the two, what I get is what the cards are trying to tell you for people who are watching and who are drawn for them. The message is that probably now's the time to again pause and reflect. And especially like how the King of Cups is. Cups generally denotes emotions. So how the King of Cups is a very, very in control emotional person, a person who is very good with his emotions, with his emotional understanding. So probably it is a time for on a global level, a time to pause, a time to reflect, a time to contemplate through our own King of Cups within. King of Cups can also probably mean for some of you maybe a father figure in your life who is very much like the King of Cups, who is very much in control, very, very, nurturing sorts emotionally. So probably, or maybe it also denotes your internal King of Cups, the part within you which is like the King of Cups, very nurturing, very emotional, emotionally intelligent. So probably what I'm getting through these readings is now is the time to probably sit down with yourself to contemplate whatever is happening instead of trying to rush through things and rush towards reunions and celebrations. Also, maybe this is an indicator of sitting at home and not rushing towards celebrations or reunions for now, and maybe having a newer perspective towards these reunions, which might be in the form of virtual meetings that we have, and changing the understanding of this. So that is what I have for all of you guys today. I hope the ones that watched this, it was useful for you. If you want more understanding and guidance on the same, you can definitely visit my website or call me. I've given the details with the video, and let me know how did it work for you. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to ask me in the comment section below or DM at the white space. And all of you, please take care, and like your cards say, that in spite of a period which is about welcoming newer perspectives and maybe which feels like this period of stuckness, you can start looking at celebrations and reunions in a different way, through maybe a different sense, taking some sort of guidance with higher authorities like parents, spiritual higher authority, God, whatever gels with you. So all of you, please take care and have fun and stay safe. Bye bye.